How to fix text-to-speech feature not working on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix text-to-speech feature not working on TikTok. Well, if a particular feature is not working on TikTok, then it might just mean that it is a certain glitch or a bug. Now first, make sure that you have strong internet connection. So that you want to make sure that it is not your internet issue. However, if internet is not the case, what you can do is you can ensure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Head over to your Play Store or App Store and search in for TikTok and check if the update is available. If the update is available, you want to go ahead and simply update it to the latest version. Then you can go ahead and check if the issue is fixed. If the issue persists, what you can do is you can simply either on your iPhone you can uninstall and reinstall the application. On your Android device, you can go ahead and clear up the data or cache of the TikTok application. So this is how you can fix text-to-speech error on TikTok. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.